Hi guys, and welcome to my messy house clean with me. Now we're all busy people, so I'm going to get straight into it, starting with the bedrooms. I'm going to go ahead and fold up the duvet so that then I can vacuum and mop the floors. There's so much dust everywhere from the building work that we've got going on right now, and it settles all over the place. So we've got dust on the windowsills, we've got dust on the floors, literally every surface that you can think of. I've got some great cleaning music, so go ahead and clean along with me. This video will give you tons of cleaning motivation.
Overflow. I don't really know what's on, 'cause I'm a restless soul. Oh, here we go. It's overflow. I don't know where to go. Yeah, my homeless soul. Oh, here we go. It's overflow. I don't really know what's on, 'cause I'm a restless soul.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, 'cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, 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 now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, 'cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning.
This is the bathroom, which is off the master bedroom. It's the only bathroom that we've got right now, as our main bathroom is getting remodeled. This bathroom isn't quite finished yet, but we're using it anyway.
Crazy and lose it. I don't care if we don't. It's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh, 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 oh. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it.
I'm getting right in there when I clean the shower. So I'm using the usual Flash bathroom cleaner for the shower floor bit, and then I'm going to go ahead with a regular glass cleaner for the shower doors. It's just the same one that I use to clean the windows. If anybody's got any recommendations, let me know in the comments down below, because I'm ideally looking for bathroom cleaners especially, which are both effective but also smell nice. This one just smells like cleaner, and that is completely boring.
I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, with every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making.
Now for some fresh clean towels and the bath mat, and we're done in here.
What has ever happened to you? Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
I hate washing dishes, and there's a ton to do here, so I'm just going to make a start, because the sooner I do that, the sooner that they're done. I'm so guilty for having the habit of putting things off, particularly things that I don't like doing, but I always find that it's never actually as bad as I'd built it up to be in my head, and I always feel better when these things are done, and that definitely includes the dishes.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, down. I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
You're full of confidence and cheap galore. You're showing off your moves and hope for attention. And how you turn my life into an invitation, I don't know. I swear I'll tell the truth and you misunderstood. When I smile, it's all I want you by my side, but baby that's a lie.
For the cooker, I'm going to wash the hob rack separately. I'm just going to do that in some hot soapy water, and then I'm going to clean the hob itself just with a bog standard hob cleaner. I usually wipe it down then with hot soapy water, and then I buff it all up with just some kitchen towel to get it looking clean and shiny. If you love cleaning, decluttering and organising videos, then be sure to subscribe to my channel and clean along with me. I post videos every single week. If you need any extra cleaning motivation today, be sure to go to my description box because I've got a whole playlist of videos there for you. So let's keep this going. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Like this video if you've liked it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
No matter where I lay my head.